Hello, food lovers. Welcome to Mahina Foods. Let's make something quick and yummy today. I love classic Indo-Chinese recipe Gobi Manchurian. There are two variants of it, dry and with gravy. Today we will make the dry version of the recipe. First, let's start the marination. Add 300 grams of cauliflower. Add an egg, 1/4 cup of corn flour, half cup of chickpea flour, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add a pinch of food color and mix well. For best results, marinate for 30 minutes. Heat enough oil in a pan and gently add the marinated cauliflower into the oil. Cook on a medium flame till they turn golden and crispy. Transfer to a plate with paper towel. Let's start making the sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Add freshly chopped onion, garlic. Saute them for 2 minutes. Add some curry leaves, half cup chili sauce, tomato sauce and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of pepper powder and mix well. Let's spice it up with 1 tablespoon of chili powder and mix well. Once the sauce is thick, add the fried cauliflower. Toss well to coat all the pieces. Add a pinch of garam masala. Toss to coat well and garnish with fresh cilantro leaves. It's best served hot. Do try this recipe at your home. Let us know in the comments below how it turned out for you. Thank you so much for watching Mahina Foods.